So over there is the Pripyat river. I'm live here in Pripyat, and we're going to find the most dangerous, contaminated place on this site. Closer to the ground, the higher the number will be. It's 1.4 over here, 1.6, 1.5. This is like 10 times higher than the normal background radiation. 1.5.
On this picture you can compare how looks the building years before.
And over here, oh no, 16, 32, 30, 32.
This boat is over there, it's a restaurant.
Oh, I missed that one.
And you see the big crowd of people near the entrance on that way.
That boat is over there. Okay, we're going to enter this building.
For the Union!
Whoa. $1.5. Ah, a toilet. Good.
Get out of here, stalker.
It's totally dark inside. So this is the restaurant? What we have for dinner today, guys? Chicken or pork?
We have a dead dog here.
Dead dog. Yep. Let's bring the puppies. Alpha, beta, and gamma.
This name was for the big dogs. The big dogs have no names. But I decided to call them plutonium, uranium, and strontium.
So, what did you find inside?
Chicken.
Chicken? Are there chickens inside?
If you wanna find me, please just send me location. Send me location.
Send me location.
Comrade, waiting orders.
Affirmative.
In the buffer zone.